Guys, thank you for joining with EduNations with another video episode. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Meeting link with the help of your Google account. So first of all, you need to log on to the Google homepage, and on your top right corner, you can see this 9-dotted area. Click it, and there will be a lot of application which is available to your account. So you need to select the meeting application, Meet application. This is the one where I'm going to explain in further. Click on that, and that is direct into the Google Meet. The product is Google Meet, and the interface look like this. So you can see new meeting link or enter the code link. You can see the date, time, and these all other options. Uh, I just want to create new meeting. So you need to click on that. And after you click in that, three drop down will be showing. Those are create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. I just want to start an instant meeting. So click on that. Right, you need to mute your camera and the microphone. So here you can see the message showing that your meeting is ready. You can add others, or you can paste this link and share it among your other colleagues or the office team to log on their own Google account to create the meeting. So yeah, right. And also here, it's mentioning that you can turn on captions while on the meeting. You can, if there's any difficulty on to understanding what they are really saying, so you can turn on caption. And again, which is providing you the option to present, to share your entire screen or a window or a tab. So once you're clicking in this three dotted area, you can see the whiteboard. You can change the layout, and you can move it to the full screen, and then you can apply visual effects. Here you can remove your background, a little bit lightly blur your background, and you can fully blur your background. And these are the other options which you can use to put your background if you are not willing to do the normal the background to your upcoming the meetings where you are conducting. So yeah, this is the another disadvantage that which I felt. This option does not give you any recording option when it's comparing with the Zoom or the Microsoft Teams. So only option is that you can use your mobile device to record the session, or separately you can use separate applications which you can download to a computer. And after you are switching on to this Google Meeting, again you need to click and switch on the recorder, and you can record whatever the important things which we are discussing in your meeting. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And in the bottom part of your on your right side in your screen, you can see activities tab, so which is allow you to use the whiteboarding, and you can see host controls. So yeah, this is the thing which I need to discuss with you, because this is nowadays I think this is more important, because many of the staff or the people who are working remotely due to the COVID-19 situation. So therefore you can use this freely available product in your Google account. First thing is you need to have the Google account. So after you are setting up your Google account, definitely these options will be freely available. So just have a try and share your thought on this. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Please subscribe EduNations for more content. So I'll be discussing many of the content which is relating to your professional career. So Thanks once again. Thanks for joining with this video, and please comment your genuine idea about whatever the problem that you have faced. So I will see on my side how I can uh, give the reply. Right. Thank you.